What's your name? What's your name? How old are you? How old are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? How are you? How are you? What do you do? What do you do? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What time is it? What time is it? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Where do you live? Where do you live? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? Why are you here? Why are you here? How was your day? How was your day? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out? Can I help you? Can I help you? How much is this? How much is this? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Where were you born? Where were you born? What's your mother's name? What's your mother's name? Which one is yours? Which one is yours? Who is that? Who is that? Where are you going? Where are you going? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? Are you married? Are you married? Do you have children? Do you have children? What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Are you sure? Are you sure? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's this called in English? What's this called in English? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Do you understand? Do you understand? How far is it? How far is it? What's the problem? What's the problem? What does this mean? What does this mean? Can you help me? Can you help me? Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? What's the date today? What's the date today? How do you feel? How do you feel? What's your last name? What's your last name? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? Do you know me? Do you know me? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Where did you go to school? Where did you go to school? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? When are we leaving? When are we leaving? Is it close? Is it close? Can you drive? Can you drive? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? How tall are you? How tall are you? How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh? What's the matter? What's the matter? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? When is it due? When is it due? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Who did you come with? Who did you come with? How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? What did he say? What did he say? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? Is it expensive? Is it expensive? Who's calling? Who's calling? Where should I put this? Where should I put this? What's your address? What's your address? How's your family? How's your family? Do you work here? Do you work here? Who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite actor? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Why not? Why not? Can I see your ID? Can I see your ID? What are you reading? What are you reading? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Do you agree? Do you agree? How is everything? How is everything? How is your study going on these days? How is your study going on these days? How do you know me? How do you know me? What does your father do? What does your father do? Are you ill? Are you ill? What do you want? What do you want? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Do you need any help? Do you need any help?